So I'm back to the crime scene, making panels. Hopefully I have enough, but otherwise that part I don't have. But I can't bring that much in the car anyway. It's kind of more chilly today. Sun is up. It's a more chilly feeling in the air. Cheers. Some cheap beer. Making a bench. Tra-la-la-la. La-la-la-la. Good morning. It's the next day here. I didn't have the sauna. I was thinking to take a bath yesterday, but the door blew up and it's get cold. So I just get up to the 60 mark, but I think it's still leaking here somewhere. I need to control it, fix it. Cut out. I was trying to make a ventilation cover, but it's cracked. I need to change it. Pretty neat though. I have an experimental. I want to have this up here, like a nice wall. I use this heat resistant sealant. I got a tip by using this. So far it's holding up, but I'm gonna come back next week and see if it's really holding up as it should when it's have cured. We'll see. Gonna paint sauna in like a tar paint, tar magic paint. I don't know what's the English word for it. In Swedish we call it shadow. It's gonna make it grayish, natural grayish. Nah, it's too cold. It's too. But it smells so good. That's gonna be a wrap for today. We did a lot today, or this episode. We make a ventilation. We did some testing on the painting, and yeah, that was. So inside we have that. We have new stones. We are testing to make this stone wall here. Finish up the almost all the walls. Have some bits here. We find a big crack in the window. Bad. I have a new one. We'll see. It's gonna install it later. The ventilation. I'm gonna seal it up with some silicone, and yeah, it's air vent. The bench. We did the bench. This is just temporary, but this is gonna be the bench. So yeah, I'm happy. Happy. Sun is shining. Nice. I did a new one.